Well, hi there folks, this is just a quickie, but in my video where I talked about my number 14 Lidl RC conversion, which is intended to be an FPV flyer, I mentioned that I'm using this little monitor receiver from Banggood. Very great little receiver and just around £20, so cheap and cheerful. But I thought I'd mention an important bit of advice that I discovered after having it for a while and testing it, and it became a bit flaky. I removed the 4 screws on the back, and this is what I found inside. Where the antenna connects to the circuit board, it was just soldered onto the board. Now, printed circuit boards aren't the most sturdy of things, and of course a bit of movement of the antenna and the leverage of the antenna eventually caused the circuit board tabs on it to fail or break. The live pin in the second had detached itself from the circuit board, plus one of the 2 tabs on the brass body had actually snapped off. The brass body is obviously the ground side of the antenna, and the centre insulated pin is the live part of the antenna. As you can see here, I managed to sort it out by cutting a small piece of this kind of 30 amp wire, tinning it and then bridging it across from the metal body to the circuit board there where it had actually broken off. So it's pretty solid now. But one thing that I noticed was there wasn't a securing nut actually holding that brass connector to the plastic camera case, which is not really a very clever piece of design. So I figured a locking nut on there would be a good idea. Amazingly enough, looking through my little box of bits, I found a nut exactly the right size, and as you can see it's fitted on here. So now there's no risk at all of any movement of that little brass connector putting stress on the circuit board and snapping off those tabs. So just thought I'd share that with you. It is a great little receiver, but I think that's pretty poor design, actually trying to secure the whole antenna just on a circuit board. So I hope you found that helpful. If you find you get problems with one of these, it's quite a simple fix. But of course, unless I mention it, you might not have ever discovered it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a like. Helps my algorithms and stuff. And if you want to see how I get on with my exciting venture into FPV RC plane flying, why not hit subscribe? I think it might be a while because the weather's gone awful. But anyway, as soon as I can get out, I will. And hopefully I'll catch you all again soon. Bye for now.